My name is Rachel Moon, and for my AP Biology project, I will be building and studying an aquaponics system, which is a symbiotic system that grows fish and produce. The reason why I decided to research sustainable agriculture is because I have long been passionate about the environment and eating healthy. The amount of water and arable land needed to feed our growing population is not available, and it is therefore imperative to find a solution to this problem. Imagine having a wall of your kitchen being a big fish tank. Imagine having a growing table beside your refrigerator where you can pick fresh produce to cook. Imagine being able to harvest in your own home protein, herbs, fruits, and vegetables all year long. In terms of sustainability, it doesn't get much more local than that. My project will be a feasibility study of a home aquaponics system. I will log and measure maintenance, efficiency, and cost considerations in writing my results. This is the original diagram my dad and I came up with to conceptualize what our system would look like. We will be raising silver Nile tilapia, spinach, and tomatoes. The materials for the construction of this system include 2 fish tanks, a water pump, a water heater, PVC piping, flexible tubing, full spectrum fluorescent lights, a bell siphon, wood and Durascrim liner for the grow bed, hydroclay pebbles, and pH and nitrate test kits, to name a few. The budget of this research project came out to be $800. I was careful to generously overestimate price values, and I calculated in a 7% tax on all items. Although the upfront cost of this system is pretty expensive, I do not expect to use all $800 of budgeted money, and the system itself is certainly built to last. Timeline will be a non-exact estimate for this project, as calibration of the aquaponics system, acclimation of fish and plants, and growth rates will dictate how fast or slow harvestable product is produced. That said, before the end of October, we expect to have the system built and running, making sure all mechanical glitches are resolved before introducing the living organisms. By early November, we will start seed germination and add 25 silver Nile tilapia fingerlings to the tank. By mid-November, we expect to introduce plant seedlings to the grow bed, and at this point I will be logging very intensively. By early March, we hope to harvest spinach and tomatoes from the grow bed. We do not expect to be able to harvest the tilapia at this point. As data will be gathered weekly throughout the whole course of the study, I will be able to fully answer the question of feasibility by the project's due date. Humane treatment of animals is an important concern of my aquaponics project. In order to ensure that the tilapia are happy and healthy, I will be careful to take chemical measurements of the water on a consistent weekly basis. I will feed the tilapia daily and appropriately for their stage of growth. I will give them a calm and stable environment, not disturbed by motion or contaminants. I will be mindful to not ever overstock the tank and ensure that during harvest, deaths are quick and painless. I am very excited to carry out this aquaponics experiment. To successfully raise sustainable protein and produce will be extremely rewarding and equally interesting from a scientific standpoint. I hope my efforts in this study raise a consciousness of the current environmental problems and provide a realistic perspective on how successful a home aquaponics system might be. Thank you for watching.